Hi guys, I'm Susan. I'm gonna show you how I draw a puppy today. It's not really that difficult. I think it's kind of simple. So, let's just jump straight into this. With some very simple guidelines. Oops. Ah. Anyway, I like starting off just a nice circle, for the head. I think we're just gonna give a nice, I guess, kind of like a gesture line. I don't know what you call that. And then we're just gonna go into a rough oval-like shape, I guess you would say, for the body. Starting off very rough, very free, very loose, very sketchy. Got lines for the arms. Well, dog arms? Legs? I don't know. That's okay. Anyway, we're just gonna get some simple guidelines, for where the eyes and stuff should be generally. I usually like going in and starting off with the ears, just because, they're nice. They're big, they're floppy. It's gonna go and do the overall nice little pup, you know, working on the head as we go. And we're actually gonna throw in these really big pup eyes. Just use basic circles for those. You want it over here. Yeah. It doesn't help me like make, like the face. Since now I know how I want everything to kind of look, you know what I mean? Keep it nice and rough. Just for the start. Just add a little nice oval for that nose. Okay, now that I have this we can actually start refining the sketch and for the head that is, and just making it look more, dog-like. Now I'm gonna actually start off with the body. I like, just I guess just taking one place that you want to start from, and then just working it out, blocking and a little bit of everything, That was cringy. So one thing I do like about drawing animals is when you draw them, you expect, basically when you first start, you expect a really crappy result. Like you expect this, this turd result, and you just think it's gonna come out really bad. But a lot of times, you prove yourself wrong. I guess that's how you would say it. Like, you draw it, and then you're like, wow, I didn't really do that bad on that. But yeah, anyway, so just rough it out. Just be very loose with your strokes on your pencil, because You want that chubby looking puppy feel. And you know, they're not always, you know, the most, how would you say it, like straight. They're not always straight, I guess, because like, you know, it's a pup, you know. They're just a little baby dog, you know, they don't know what they're doing. They don't know how to stand properly or sit properly, you know. Having way too much fun with this. But yeah, and it's just something about it. For the you know, the feet here, just kind of just block it in there. I don't think it's necessarily, you know, that important to get it 100% right, because in all reality it's still just, you know, drawings for fun. If you ever like do something that you really don't like, you know, you shouldn't really be down on yourself, because I feel like it's no point, and it will really make your art come on what, you know, slower in your style, stuff like that. I've been rambling so much. But we're getting to the end of this. You know, I'm just adding in some basic color. Well, not really color, but, you know, some shading to make the pup, you know, look a little bit distinguished in a way, I guess. And not so, I guess bland would be a word that you would use. I don't really know. I'm not very good in, like, puppy terms and stuff. In puppy terms. Oh my gosh. Also, coloring this, I would just be as rough as you can be, because like I feel like you learn best from your mistakes, and if you're going really rough, you're gonna notice that there's a lot of mistakes that you're going to be making. So that's pretty cool. You know, a little tip for you for today. I feel like you can really learn a lot from when you're drawing from any sort of animal, because like the basic shapes that's needed to make it will help you when, you know, you draw like really anything. I feel like it can come back up. I'm basically doing right now is I'm going over everything I feel needs a little bit of a touch up, and basically just I'm just adding that in. So yeah. Example, I feel like I don't need these, you know. It looks a lot better without that. I don't know what this is called, but I know it's something. I feel like I don't know. Hmm. You know how dogs usually have like that stuff around like their jaw, right? I want to round this off a little bit too to make it look, you know, nice and plump and cute. That just dropped on the floor. My luck, right? Okay, so I feel like it's about done. Usually, when I draw, I like to take my time and, you know, just really try to get the best possible outcome in all my art. I feel like when you start to draw and you know, you get to a point where you draw something that looks really good and, you know, it surprises you, you kind of you get that confidence boost, you know, and you want to draw better. I had that happen many times, but I just like, you know, just draw nice and stuff. Drawing still helps you out a lot in the long run. Well, at least it does me. I think it does me. Just gonna go in and erase a tiny bit of stuff, you know. I know it's probably gonna be like 10 minutes or something. So yeah. I didn't really calculate how long I was gonna be doing this because I get kind of zoned out and when I'm drawing, so you know, that happens a lot. Sorry. Hope you guys enjoyed this video though. You know, it's just fun to just doodle like a madman sometimes. Plus, maybe you learned something today. You know, I hope you did. Or this video is kind of an absolute waste of my energy. Man, that sounds sad. Anyway, so yeah, the puppy is done. Hope you enjoyed this video, you know. Hope you guys have a good day. If you like the video, let's try to get to 3 likes. Comment and subscribe if you want to. You guys have a great day.